Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to get Snapchat back after being locked out. So guys, this is very simple process. So don't waste the time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Snapchat and go to your profile and tap on settings and scroll down, scroll down and tap on I need help and scroll down and tap on contact us and choose I can't access my account second number and scroll down and choose my account is locked, sorry locked, and scroll down and you can tap on going here and tap on unlock my account. So yeah, you can see tap on unlock and you can see my account is unlocked. So I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So guys, this is very simple process, everyone can do it easily. Don't upset for this, and please guys, subscribe my channel and like the video, leave the comment and below. Take care, bye bye.